How to request special assistance on Xiamen Airlines. Hello everyone, welcome to another tutorial. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can request special assistance on Xiamen Airlines. So how do you make such a request? It is very simple. The first step is for you to log in into your Xiamen Airlines account, just like I've done here. And then once you're logged in and you're on your own page, next step is for you to move to the right side of the screen where you can see some icons such as flights and deals, e-great miles, passenger services. So ensure you click on that. So by clicking on this, you can now see the different options, right, which include guide to payment services in China, guide to payment services in Fujian, privacy notice. Just scroll down until you can see the option for you to request special assistance. All right, so under cabin service, you can see the different kind of services that can be booked, right? You can see in-flight meals, unique cabin services, etc. Then move to the left side of the screen, underground services. You can see other option. Locate the carriage of passengers with special need option. Since you are trying to request special assistance. So after selecting that, you'll be taken to the page of a carriage of passenger with special need. So you have to select the category you fall under. You can see important notice, infants, children, pregnant women. So scroll down. If you do not fall under any of these categories, just select request for other special assistance. And so other options will be displayed with instruction or what you can do for you to request for special assistance. So you can read through this, then once it's understood, carry out the instruction given and you are good to go. Or instead, you can just contact the Xiamen Airlines 24-hour service hotline here for details before purchasing a ticket. So that way, any assistance you need would be booked, and if you have to pay extra, you'll be notified, but if not, you would also be notified. So this is how you can request for special assistance on Xiamen Airlines. Thank you very much for watching and have a good day.